Oh, this journey started way back 40 years ago. When I wanted to study, I have children here. I have myself here. I had to wait. When you have a degree in Kenya,
okay,
and in a recognized university, they validate your documents and they say you qualify. Look for traveling CNA jobs if you want to do nursing. Work at the hospital. You get experience there. That's the only way you can study without struggling. CNA
pays good.
Pays good. $60 per hour, $40 per hour.
Wow.
The way you can get married at 80, it's the way you can study at 80.
Hey! Hey!
Kizungu ya Marekani at first, you know. Unasikia I wanna. Lengi urasiri auga kaiwena wana. Ni masomo tu kidogo. Ati unakosa heshima kwa Bwana kwa sababu sasa uko na pesa wapi? You know what I'm thinking? I want to be ALPN. I am here saying hooray!
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 Yes. Mambo vipi ladies and gentlemen, welcome so much to Mkenya Marekani. Yeah, kama wewe ni mgeni hapa, this is a platform where we do educate you, we inform you, we motivate you, mostly with Kenyans here in America doing extraordinary things. Na leo tuko na none other than a graduating RN. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Salimia watu.
Oh, hamjambo, watu wa Jamhuri, watu wa Marekani, na wapenda sana. Kwa majina ni Lucy Muchira.
Yeah.
I am a graduate RN.
Wow, RN.
Yeah.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, though sometimes I feel like I have graduated. I am lonely now. I don't have the teachers in my presence. That's my worry now. But I feel great. I honor God at this moment because he has worked with me. I took my education all the way in Florida. I went to Evergrande University, and then they transferred me to 𝐕𝐻 Institute of Nursing. And it has been a long journey, and God has worked with me. Very expensive. Every month flying to Florida, 10 hours flight. It has been a long journey, but I am here saying hooray!
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 So let me ask you, what motivated you to join the RN program?
Oh, this journey started way back 40 years ago.
40 years ago?
Yes. When I attended the 𝐉𝐸 in Kenya.
Wait. You said 40 years ago.
40 years ago.
Are you announcing your age today?
No. They should know that I am above 40. But the journey started all the way 40 years ago.
Wow.
When I attended 𝐉𝐸, whereby some children, some girls were going to study nursing in Czech Republic. And I was mourning and saying, oh, these children are lucky, their parents can afford me, I will never do that. But I had that desire. So 40 years later, God has made the dream come true.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. We always trust in God.
Amen.
And He accomplishes our dreams.
Oh, yes.
So what was the process like to do RN? You know, we motivate people, and a lot of people wanataka join nursing school.
So what I can tell people, like me, Lucy, I know, or I like chewing the big meat, not small ones. So I was thinking, when I wanted to study, I have children here, I have myself here, I had to weigh what comes first. And then God was pushing me, Lucy, you have to go. I was with this guy. We were talking together, Kiranga, but I made a decision before him. So my thinking was that I will join RN. But it is very easy when you have a degree in Kenya.
Okay.
And in a recognized university, they validate your documents and they say you qualify.
Wow.
Now it is upon you to choose between LPN, RN. and I had to go for the big meet because
meet.
yeah, I thought if I go to LPN I'll never study again.
Yeah.
I am old now.
Yes.
My firstborn is 4th year at United States University.
Wow.
So I didn't think that I could go back to school again. So I had to get the big meat and then struggle with it. And I told God, if I feel that I'm struggling, I will stop and then pick up later. But you know, God is faithful.
Yes.
I never dropped even a single day.
Wow.
I was the first one to finish paying my college fees. That's God.
Wow. How did you manage working and schooling?
Yeah.
And taking care of children?
It has been hard. A long journey, very hard, but I had to work extra hour and do my assignment at work. And come home and sleep because you cannot work. Come home and do homework. You're going to sleep, you're exhausted. So at work, take the opportunity, steal time from your boss, do homework.
Boss, hope you're not watching, eh?
Yeah. yeah. I trying to do that. And I cannot say how I worked towards helping my children because they never dropped any time. It's God, it's a miracle. Yeah, but let me tell you guys, look for traveling CNA jobs if you want to do nursing. Work at the hospital. You get experience there. That's the only way you can study without struggling. CNA
pays good.
Pays good, $60 per hour, $40 per hour. You get overtime, work. One time I worked 72 hours.
In a week?
In a week. And there you are able to pay your fees without struggling. But the body, you must sacrifice.
You must sacrifice.
Sacrifice. And you Kenyans, don't listen to those people who says it is not possible. Many people have done it. You are not them. Try it and you're going to make it. Yes.
There's something you said very important, that you were able to evaluate your schooling in Kenya. You know, people say that makaratasi za Kenya hazina maana hapa America.
Okay, so I am very happy to have a friend by Joseph Kiranga.
Yeah.
He introduced me to validation of certificates and he helped me and they were validated. So when I presented them to college, they were accepted. They have to go all the way to the university you went in Kenya and check whether it is good. True. It is true. They check here the years you are saying. And when you get that one, here they don't want to see whether you passed well in mathematics or English or what. Just go and be taught like a nursery school kids. And you learn and you get it.
Was the culture so different? Kizungu ilikuwa unasikia kwa class ama ilikuwa inakushinda?
Kizungu ya Marekani at first, you know. Unasikia I wanna. Lengi urasiri auga kaiwena wana. And then when you go to type your assignment, your project, unapata ile English ya kule kunaitwaje kule kwetu tulisoma ya wale wazungu wa pale. The British, unaona computer inakataa. So you have to pick I wanna because
I wanna and I gonna.
Yeah, you have to pick that. Yes.
Wow.
They have very simple English.
Yeah.
Very simple. Even an old mother can get. I went to school. I am coming home. That is the English you are tested about. Yeah. Are you gonna fail that?
Would advise a mother here who is struggling between going to school or not?
Please make a decision. Go to school. It's not late. I learned from my friend. She is from Nigeria. She was my classmate. And she told me, you know, my mother started nursing when she was 75 years. When she got a visa to go to Britain, that old woman went straight to nursing school. So she has motivated her daughter to join nursing. Yeah. So age does not matter.
It's just a number.
It's just a number. Yes.
Wow.
The way you can get married at 80, it's the way you can study at 80.
Hey! Wait, you're But by the way, I want to congratulate you because there's a lot of people who came to support you, like a full church.
Oh, yes.
Wow. Tell them something because they'll watch this video.
It is very good to be strong.
Yeah.
And always to have friends who can motivate you, who can walk with you. Some people will smile at you, but inside their hearts, there is no smile. Leave them alone. So if your friend has a function, attend. If you have a function, the person will attend. Be strong and be whom you are. Don't try to make yourself to look something to please people. Some people say I'm very bad. I'm very bad, but I have my principles. I have my stand.
Yeah.
Because if I say it's this way, it's like that way.
Yeah.
For somebody to succeed in this America or anywhere, you must have a stand, a direction. Don't be swayed by weed. Know what you want to do.
Yeah.
And you will have friends like you.
And then before we conclude this, kuna watu wanasema Wakenya wakisoma kidogo wakuwe LPN, wakuwe RN, kidogo wanadhalilisha hawa watu wengine wenye wako chini sana.
Hapana, huo ni upuzi mtupu. Huo ni upuzi mtupu. Kenyans, we are known to work together. Yeah, and to support each other.
Yeah.
Even if you are RN or LPN, you are still the same person. Ni masomo tu kidogo. Ati unakosa heshima kwa Bwana kwa sababu sasa uko na pesa wapi? Hapana. God wants us to humble. Because our end is not final. You know what I'm thinking? I want to be ALPN. I want to study more. I cannot lie to anybody that I'm not going to. I have been in school since I came here. I started from CNA. I did so many things. I'm North American University. I did Standing Grand Canyon University mentor, masters in mental science. Until I came to nursing. That is where my joy is. And it is my prayer that I will be able to help patients as much as I can. Directed by God in truth and in spirit. That's my prayer.
Wow, that's amazing. You know, nili interview mmoja akasema easy calling, natafuta tu a bigger pay.
But, oh no, with nursing, with nursing is like teaching. I am a teacher by profession. That thing must be in you. You cannot camouflage. No. How are you going to wipe people butts and do all this, dress the wounds if it is not in you? You are going to start vomiting. Yeah, so don't try. But it is possible with God. Let us keep our pride down.
Kabisa.
Yes.
Maybe the last thing, tell people if you can advise people to go to your school, as I mentioned. So ndio watu kitaka kuenda.
So if people want to join my school, it's 𝐉𝐴 University. And unfortunately, the college is closing because it was online training. But they are planning to get something else. So if somebody can go and Google 𝐉𝐴 University in Florida, you can get somewhere to be directed. Yeah. I searched for college even in Facebook because I really wanted to go. And I got it in Facebook. Yeah. So where there is will, there is way. Yeah.
Absolutely. We really appreciate you and congratulations.
Thank you so much and thank you for coming. Mkenyamarekanitv, hoye!
Hapo sawa. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mkenyamarekanitv and this is a platform where we tell you the house. Si ati ukiuliza mtu how did you become an RN anasema is God. No, we ask how so that we can help our people be better people. So keep it here ndani ya Mkenyamarekanitv. If you have an interview you want us to feature, just holler at me and God bless you.
Amen.
Cheers.
Good. That was like